The ocean, calm and endless. But beneath the surface, it hides unimaginable power. A massive earthquake deep under the ocean floor. And the sea begins to move. A giant tsunami is born, a moving mountain of water. Alarms blare on carrier. Crew prepares. The world's strongest warship, thousands of tons of steel, unstoppable might. But can even this giant survive nature's fury approaching rapidly? The wave strikes, steel bends, the ship groans under crushing force. Horizon disappears behind wall of water, hundreds of feet high. Engines roar against crushing weight of millions of tons water. The tsunami engulfs ship, decks submerged, crew struggling to survive. Design built to withstand violent seas, resisting nature's deadly power. The giant wave has passed. The carrier survives, scarred but unbroken. Epic drone shot of carrier sailing into sunset waters.